Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use SFC Scannow to fix Windows in less than a minute. So let's begin. So using SFC Scannow from time to time is really helpful and doesn't really do harm on your computer, and especially it's for free. So all you have to do is click on the Windows Start button, uh, look up for CMD, and make sure to run this as the administrator. Okay, because if not, you will be very limited on what you can do. So type in SFC scan now. Let me see if it will go through in my end because I feel like my computer is pretty healthy right now. It doesn't need this option. But it will show in here that the process has begun. After this has reached 100%, it will show that either it has found corrupted files and fixed them or none at all. But either way, this is how you can easily use SFC scan now and run this anytime you want, or especially if you are experiencing some blue screen of death or random crashes. Okay, I hope you found this video very helpful.